This is a 2007 Acura MDX. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, heated seats, dual-zone climate control, an 8-speaker stereo system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, steering wheel memory settings, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, an electronic throttle, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, advanced compatibility engineering body structure, a split folding rear seat, and aluminum wheels. Not to mention that this Acura qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.